So you can keep your pork, you can keep your beef, and we're going to do chicken for a change. Fantastic. Look at that. So there you are, straightforward chicken sausage rolls, no messing around. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick today. Something which is just so ridiculously easy that, you know, I wasn't sure we were going to do it, but we are. We're making chicken sausage rolls. Everybody makes pork sausage rolls, very common. But you know, chicken sausage rolls with the right seasoning and flavourings in there, absolutely fantastic. So what we've got in here, we have some chicken mince. Now don't forget, all the ingredients are listed in the description. Just click on them all, it drops down, scroll down, get the ingredients. Now if you're new here, welcome. It's nice to have you, and if you are watching and not subscribed, consider subscribing. 70% are not subscribed. Okay, chicken mince in here. This is all my spices. All my spices and milk powder. Okay, the milk powder we're going to use as a binder to help bind the sausage together. So we're going to give that a little mix. I'm going to chuck it in there. We're going in there with a little bit of Worcester sauce. We want a little bit of a depth of flavour in there, and we're going to do a sneaky one. We're going in there with some Dijon mustard. Oh, about that much. About a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Now that's going to hide in the background, but you know, if you don't have Dijon mustard, you can use a yellow American mustard. The same sort of sour mustard taste. In there, our breadcrumbs. And it's just a case of hand in, mix up. Give it a good mixing up. And obviously, the list of spices in the ingredients list make for a fantastic sausage. However, if you want to change the spices out, add chili, jalapenos, anything like that, feel free. Change it around, you're eating it. So we need to bring this together and get a nice sticky mix in here. And it will go sticky as soon as the chicken mince fluid has been absorbed by the breadcrumbs. This is going to start to sticky up. And what we're going to do is just leave it about 15 minutes. We're not going to go any longer. I mean, you can leave it overnight if you want. That's up to you. It's really not worth it. We're just making sausages. But what I want to do is rehydrate those breadcrumbs. So if we leave it about 10-15 minutes, the fluid in here will be absorbed by the breadcrumbs, and we will not be chewing on bits of bread. Make sure you've got your oven on. It's got to be on for about 200 degrees, somewhere around about there. Grab yourself an egg, beat up the egg, get your ready roll pastry and cut it into manageable. In fact, you could just roll it all out, make a big sausage roll, chop it up to you. I'm going to cut my pastry 4" by 4.5" squares, just so we've got a slightly longer end when we roll it over. We're just going to leave that a little minute on there, probably about 10 minutes. Let it absorb the moisture into the breadcrumbs. That gives us time to cut up our pastry. Okay, so it doesn't get much easier. All we're going to do is take some of our sausage mix and put it in our roll. It's as easy as that. Now, ideally, dampen your hands when you start messing around with the chicken mince. In there, take some of your mince, give it a little squidge up. Come on, it's not rocket science. On your pastry. Bring it out. What a little bit of a sausage shape. And all we do is roll. It's as easy as that. Come on. Let's not make it difficult. roll over your sausage meat, a little bit of egg on there, roll it all the way over so it seals up underneath like that, and that on your tray. Seam side down, a little bit of egg on there, and let's have it rolled up. Come on. Nicely rolled over the top. Seam side down on there. Okay, our beautiful sausage rolls on there with some egg wash. We want a nice golden finish on here. Now you can put milk wash on, you can do anything you want. I'm just using a straightforward egg beaten up. Now you could opt for milk, egg and water, milk and water. It doesn't matter. We just want a little bit of a colour on there. And you know, egg gives it a nice golden hue that we're looking for. Now we have to vent. You have to vent the sausage rolls. So it's a case of just make a couple of cuts in there with a knife. Let that steam out of there. Now we're going to dress it up a little bit. We've got some white and black sesame seeds. Just mix it up. Give it a little bit of an optional. Well, it's going to give it a little bit of an optional crunch on there as well. But you know, you can go just white or you can go just black. But you know, you put a different contrasting colour on there, it makes the sausage roll looks a bit pretty. It's as easy as that, really. That goes in the oven. It's going in the oven for about 20-25 minutes at 200 degrees. Okay, I think these are looking pretty good to come out of there. Oh, are you kidding me? Look at them. And there you have it. Look at those beautiful sausage rolls. And the chicken. They look sensational. Look at those things. Right, we're going to give them just a little minute and then we're going to stick them on a rack to cool. And we're going to munch them. Come on, we're in. Straight through there. Oh, look at that. That is soup. What a smell. The smell is off the charts. Wow. Look at that. So there you are. Straightforward chicken sausage rolls. No messing around. So you can keep your pork, you can keep your beef, and we're going to do chicken for a change. Fantastic. And how do you eat yours? A bit of yellow mustard on there. I've got some good old American yellow mustard here. But you know, come on, we got to give this a try. Let's see what the seasoning's like. Oh man. That is absolutely fantastic. It's moist, it's firmed up enough in there with our filling. The spices and everything is perfectly balanced. I mean, you've got to try it. It is so easy. That is delicious. And obviously you can serve it with what you want. You don't have to serve it up as finger food like this, even though I enjoy it. You know, you can serve it as part of a meal. You know, put some veggies with it, a little bit of gravy. Oh, fantastic. The crunch on the pastry is fantastic. The good thing about this, we use ready rolled pastry. All we did is make the sausage filling. And that chicken sausage is delicious. That really is a fantastic sausage roll. Wow. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make a chicken sausage roll. Really, really easy. And if you do like what we're doing, the big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. And we'll catch you in the next video. Crunch, crunch. Mmm.